Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to detect whether the user has signed in into iCloud or not in a native iOS application. So let's get started. So the example is pretty simple. So I think I lost the connection. I'll have to rerun the app again because I'm just logging it to the console whether the user has signed in into iCloud or not. So I have already signed in into iCloud and I'm using UIKit, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. And here I have just one button, and on click of it all we are doing is that I'm just printing it to the console, user is signed in into iCloud. If the user is not, then it will just print user is not signed in into iCloud. So to get started, all you need to do is import CloudKit. Then here, as you can see, I have just created one button using UIKit, but like I mentioned, you don't have to use UIKit, you can use Swift UI as well. And here I have added the click listener for our button as well. So whenever our button is clicked, this method gets called automatically. So once our method is called, we just do ck container.default account status, and here we get either status and error. If status is available, then we just say user is signed in into iCloud, else we say user is not signed in into iCloud. So yeah, that's what it is. One more thing which you need to do is you will have to go to your app. Over here you will have to go to sign in and capabilities, and I'll just delete this just to show it to you how to add it again. Just click on this plus capability button and click on iCloud, and here you just have to check all these check boxes and make sure you select your proper team as well. Otherwise this will not work. So yeah, that's all you need to do. That's it. Thank you for watching. Also make sure you test it on a real device, because sometimes on the simulator it gives wrong results. So yeah, just a heads up. Thank you for watching. Bye.